What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And now so that the OnePlus 11 series is finally official, the main question comes is if your budget is under 50,000 rupees, which is exactly the better phone for you? Is it the OnePlus 11R or the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE? Now, this will be an in-depth comparison between both of these phones and which phone is better for you as per your use case. So stick till the very end of this video. So let's get started. So the very first thing which we'll be talking about the smartphone is its software experience. The OnePlus runs on the Oxygen OS based out of Android 13 and also the Samsung Galaxy S21 runs on the One UI 5.0. Now this has been launched on the Android 12 and which is upgradable to Android 13, and both of these smartphones will be getting up to updates of the Android up to Android 16. Now this is a good part as Samsung gets an extra 1 year of upgrade, which makes it total 4 years of major software OS upgrades, and the OnePlus gets major 3 years of software upgrades. Apart from that, what's basically is that Samsung One UI skin is a heavy skin, which is one of the most popular skins as in the current market in the smartphones. Whereas in case of OnePlus, it was used to be one of the best Oxygen OS. Now moving forward, then comes the design. Then design of the smartphone is subjectively to your opinion. What do you think? I personally feel the better design for the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE for its minimalistic looks and minimum eye-catching design. I am not into much of a eye-catchy design. So for my opinion, the Galaxy S21 is the better option in design. But also both of these phones do comes with a plastic back and the metal frame, but the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE display does comes with a better protection, which is the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. But in case of OnePlus 11R, it's not yet specified which protection does it actually comes with. But in-hand feel will be getting better. You will be getting better with the Galaxy S21 FE, that because its phone is almost 25 grams lighter than the OnePlus 11R at 177 grams, whereas the OnePlus 11R is of 204 grams. Well, talking about a display, then both of these smartphones do comes with an AMOLED display, but the display quality is better on the OnePlus as it comes with a 10-bit AMOLED display and it's a fluid display, so you'll be getting a 1 billion color on this phone and the 120Hz of high refresh rate, HDR10 plus content support and the peak brightness of up to 1450 nits. Well, whereas the display on the Galaxy S21 FE is a dynamic AMOLED display and you will be getting 120Hz of high refresh rate and also the HDR10 plus content support, and it also supports the always on mode. Well, the display is overall goes to the better to the OnePlus 11R, but what once again the things comes with the OnePlus 11R better is its performance, as the phones come with the one Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, whereas the Samsung's counterpart comes with the Snapdragon 888 or the Exynos 2100 in India specifically. So that smart processor is not that much of a great performance. So if you're someone into great performance and into the great gaming experience, then the OnePlus 11R is the better option when compared to the Samsung Galaxy S21 for the price range of under 40,000 rupees. Now apart from that, moving forward with the storage option, then both phones comes with base 128 gigs of storage, but the OnePlus comes with base of 8 gigs of RAM, whereas the Samsung comes with 6 gigs of internal RAM. Now the cameras, if you are someone into photography, then the Samsung Galaxy S21 will be coming as a better option for you as it comes with all the 3 major camera lenses which is expected in a smartphone, and no gimmicky camera is present in the phone. The primary camera is of 12 megapixel of wide angle camera, the secondary camera is a 8 megapixel of a telephoto camera, and the third one is the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera in the Galaxy S21 FE. However, when compared to the OnePlus's camera module setup, then it comes with a 50 megapixel of a primary camera, an 8 megapixel of an ultra wide camera and a 2 megapixel of an infamous macro sensor. The front camera also is better in the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE with a 32 megapixel of a primary camera, and whereas in the OnePlus, the front selfie camera is of 16 megapixels. Note that both of these phones do comes with the stereo speakers setup and also the Type-C to Type-C charging in the box itself. Well, the charger is indeed not included with the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, but you do get a 100 watt of fast charging in the box itself, which is almost 4 times the better charging speed when compared to the Galaxy S21 FE. Also, the battery life is a 5000 mAh battery, and you get a 4500 mAh battery on the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. Again, this OnePlus wins this round. Now, apart from that, what we also know about this smartphone, some extra things is that Galaxy S21 do comes with wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, and you also get a IP68 water and dust resistance. But the OnePlus does misses out on these 3 things. So if you want to take your phone under the water, you can take Galaxy S21 FE, but you can't take the OnePlus 11R into the water. Now, the pricing again, as of now, on Flipkart, the S21 FE is available for under 41,000 rupees, and whereas the OnePlus 11R is available at 40,000 rupees on Amazon. We have also seen previously the price drop in the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE for just 32,000 rupees in the Flipkart sale. That makes it an overall better phone. But considering at 40,000 rupees, the OnePlus 11R is a better smartphone for most case users. Now, what do you think about this video? If you like it, share it and hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. Thanks a ton for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.